Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Hopefully you are doing well. It's been it's been really late basically. It was like almost 15 days. It's been 15 days. So yeah. So what will be today's topic? Today's will be topic will be very not important. I would say it's kind of necessary thing. Like what type of bags you will basically use when you are when you will be basically traveling from your home country to Germany. So I will basically explain my experience, like what type of bag you should use. So hopefully this video will be very beneficial for you if you are not thinking to take or watch this video till the end. You can do it. It's not that much important. So hopefully, yeah, it's kind of. You can just have my experience, nothing else. You can yeah, you can watch till the end. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this was my first bag. So it was in my shoulder, basically laptop bag. So I had put some book stuffs and my laptop in it, nothing else. So it was my first bag, and uh, second one was this bag. So this was my travel bag. I basically bought it like when I was in my fourth semester in my university, so it worked very well. So this was my second bag, and yeah um, yeah, I used it for my traveling while I was coming from my home country to Germany. So yeah, you can also get one of these from your home store or other stuff if you want to uh, use it for your traveling. And this is very good for traveling as well as for tracking as well. So I had planned it when I was in my fourth semester, so that's why I bought it, and it will work in my future when I will be basically going to travel inside Germany or inside Europe. So this bag is quite good, quite beautiful. Okay, and last one is this travel luggage, I would say. Yeah, so but thing is, like, it didn't support me that well. It wasn't that much highly costly, I would say. It was quite cheap. The cost of this luggage bag was approximately 3000 taka, that means 30 euros, kind of this. And yes, so that is the thing. So why it didn't support me? Because like the you can see that the wheels are basically broken, or I would say, like, in Bangla we can say এটা মানে ঘষা খায় খইসা গেছে আর কি. So you can see that, like, it like it basically broke basically somehow or other. So like when you are basically buying a trolley bag or luggage bag, make sure that the wheels are really strong. If it is not strong, then that trolley won't support you inside Germany. So it was quite good when I was traveling, but when I entered Germany and I was basically shifting my bags or things from here and there, and it didn't support me that well, and it was really tough for me. So doesn't matter what size is this. And yeah, like, if I would recommend that, like, don't buy a really big trolley, because like a big trolley might be not flexible for you for shifting or for carrying your things when you will be inside Germany. Because like if you are a lone person, that it might be very difficult for you to grab this bag, hold it, and just what can I say, like, টানতে খুব সমস্যা হতে পারে. So ultimately, so for moving here and there, it might be very difficult for you. So that's why when you are basically buying a bag, a trolley bag, mind it sure, number one is don't buy very big size. Number two, make sure the wheels are really good. And number three is, please buy some brand luggage, I would say. Yeah, that might be very crucial for you when you are basically traveling from your home country to Germany. So like one of my subscribers basically asked me like what type of bags I basically use. That's why I'm basically making this video, and this video will be almost yeah, it's quite good to be like if you are traveling, and if you are traveling, it mean like you have gotten your visa. So congrats first of all, and yeah, that's all basically. And yeah, these three types of bags basically I have used when I was basically coming inside Germany. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully next video will be coming soon. Yeah, I will try my best because like I was quite busy in lots of stuff, and my exams are also near. So, and I also have like 3 exams left. So you can imagine like how much pressurized it can be, or how much pressure it can be inside Germany, inside TUM. So yeah, so hopefully you will be subscribing my video, subscribing my channel, and till the next video, be safe, be quiet, and choose.